Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where it's consistently refreshing the desktop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, restart Windows Explorer. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and restart it. If you don't find the process here, you can scroll down to the absolute bottom in the background processes. The next solution is to check for updates. Right click on the Start button and select Settings on the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for updates in the right pane. Make sure that each and every update is installed. And the last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.